Hello children, today we are going to learn what comes in between 61 to 70. We can see the number line here. Numbers are written from 61 to 70. We'll revise them once. 61 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69, 70 70. Now we will see both the numbers 6161 and 6363. We need to find out which number comes in between 61 and 63. For that we will take help of number line. We will put finger on 61 and second finger on 63 and see which number falls in between. We can see number 62. So we will write 6 to 62 here. Next number, this is 62 and this is 64. We will put finger on 62 and 64 and see which number falls in between. Which number comes in between? 63 63. We will write number 6363. Now this is number 64 and this is number 6666. We will look for number 64 and we will put our another finger on 66. We will find number 6565 in between. So we will write 6565 here. This is 66 and this is 68. We will look for 66. We'll put our finger here, another finger on 68 and see which number falls in between. 6767. We will write number 6767 here. The next number is 65 and this is 67. We will put our finger on 65 and 67 and see which number falls in between. 6666. 6666. This is 68 and this is 70. We will look for 68 and this is 70. Which number do we see in between? 6969. We will write 6969 here. The next number is 66 and this is 68. So we will put our finger on 66 and 68 and see which number is coming in between both the numbers. 6767. We will write here 6767. This is 64 and this is 66. Look for 64 and 66 and see which number falls in between. 6565. We will write 6565 here. Now this is 64 and this is 66. Look for 64, put your finger on 64 and other finger on 66 and see which number falls in between. 6565. We will write 6565 here. We go to the next number, that is 63 and this is 65. Look for 63, put your finger on 63 and on another finger on 65 and see which number comes in between. 6464. We will write 6464 here. Now this is 62 and this is 64. We will look for 62, put our finger on 62 and 64 and see which number falls in between. 63. We will write 6363 here. Now this is 67 and this is 69. Look for 67 and 69. Put your fingers there and see which number falls in between. 6868. We will write 6868 and now this is 68. This is 70. We'll look for 68. Put our finger on 68 and another finger on 70 and see which number comes in between. 6, 9, 69. We will write 6, 9, 69 here. Now comes 64 and 66. We'll look for 64 and 66, and when we put our fingers on both the numbers, which number do we see in between? 6, 5, 65. We will write here 6, 5, 65. This is 63 and this is 65. We'll look for 63 and 65 and see which number comes in between. 6, 4, 64. This is 65 and this is 67. We'll put our finger on 65 and 67. So which number comes in between? 6, 6, 66. We will write here 6, 6, 66. We have done what comes in between. You keep trying. I'm sure if you try, you'll be able to do what comes in between easily. Take care.